In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and search your own custom map using Google Drive. This is a fantastic tool if you need to plan routes, mark important places, or simply personalize your navigation experience. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. Firstly, head over to your Google Drive homepage. This is where all your files are stored, and it's the starting point for creating your map. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the New button. It's usually located on the upper left of your screen. Clicking on this button will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options for creating new files and folders. In this drop-down menu, scroll down until you see the option labelled More. By clicking on More, you'll reveal an extended list of tools and applications that Google has integrated into Drive for your convenience. Look for Google My Maps in this list and give it a click. Google My Maps is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create detailed maps tailored to your own personal or business needs. After selecting Google My Maps, you will be taken to a new tab or window where you'll find an option to create a new map. Look for the Create a New Map button and click it. This action will launch the Google My Maps editor, where you can give life to your very own map. Now you're inside the Map Editor tool. You have a blank canvas to start with. Here, you can add markers, draw lines, or create shapes to highlight areas. Each marker or line can have additional information such as text, links, or photos attached to it. This is great for detailing specific locations or routes on your map. Now suppose you finished creating your map and would like to search within Google Drive for it later. Remember, your map is saved automatically in your Drive like any other document. You can use the search bar at the top of Google Drive to find it by typing the name you gave the map, or simply by searching for My Maps. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to create and search for a custom map in Google Drive. This skill can be incredibly useful for organizing travel plans or for business logistics. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!